Guys, today we will study how to find a beam which required strength and given conditions. So I have taken one example. This is our question. Select the lightest W shape. We have to find a W shape beam that should have allowable stress 120 megapascal, and given loading condition are given as follows. So first we need to find maximum bending moment. So for that, let's draw the FPD of problem. These are our reaction R1 and R2. We have to first find reaction and then we find bending moment. As we all know, bending formula is sigma by y m by I, and also we also know that I by y is known as Z, section modulus. It is also represented as S. So this formula can also be written as sigma equals to m by z or s, whatever you can call it. So we have already given sigma is given to us. Z we have to find. For that we need to find m, maximum bending moment in beam. So first task will be to find m. How can we find that? First we will find reactions. So these are reaction at A is R1 and B is R2. So we will take bending moment about B. Since it is simply spotted beam, so net moment any point must be 0. So taking moment about point B, net moment should be 0. So R1 into 6, the total distance is 6. This distance is 6. So R1 into 6 minus, because moment of R1 is this direction about this point, but moment of this force about this direction, it is opposite to that of R1. So 6 into R1 minus 45 into 2, this distance is 2, equals to 0. There will be no moment due to R2 because we are finding moment about this point only. So after solving this we will get R1 15 kilonewton. We don't need to find R2 because in point loading the maximum bending moment occur at below the point load. So maximum bending moment will be at point, say it is O. So how we can find that? Moment about O, bending moment about O will be R1 into 4. R1 we have already found, so it will be 60 kilonewton meter. So in SI system, always convert all unit into Newton mm. That's all. If it is force, then Newton. If it is moment, then Newton mm. And if it is stress, then Newton per mm square. So we have converted moment into Newton mm. Now sigma is already given 120. We will use that relation. This one, sigma equals to m by z. Z is known as section modulus. So z we have find, it is also represented by sx. So now what we will do, we will look from tables. Already standard tables are given. So we have asked lightest beam. Lightest beam means the weight of beam must be minimum. So we have find a beam which have section modulus greater than 500. Sx must be greater than 500 and that should have minimum weight. So what we can do, we will search upon tables. You can simply search any tables, just Google W shape beam. So you can find out. That is best site I usually refer always, the engineering toolbox. So you can also find any imperial units, just click here, it will convert to imperial units. If you want metric units, since our question in metric units, so we will convert in metric units. So all data is given. This is beam shape, depth, width, thickness, sectional area, weight. So we have look upon weight column is given here, and sx is also given. So what we have to do, first we have to look sx greater than 500. So we will go from this column. So here is Sx is 500. Also we have to look in weight column. This is the weight of beam. So there may be many beams which have Sx greater than 500, but we have to choose lightest beam. So that beam is lightest, which have weight 38.7. so we will choose this beam, and this beam is represented as W310 into 165 into 38.7, and it in left hand side it is given in imperial units. Since our question in metric units, so we will write answer as W310. So our beam will be W310 165 38.7. So guys, if you have any doubt, you can comment me. Okay, thank you.